Movement was northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50
Yeah, I don't know where
miles
this
per
is at.
hour and half-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down trees and blow around temperature.
Oh, there we go.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles north of McHenry to 7 nautical miles northwest of Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. Now for the